Hello and welcome to this new course in which we will discuss Arduino power consumption. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team. As most of you know, Arduino Uno and Pro Mini and most of the Arduino boards are not powered efficiently in situations when you have to run them on batteries. In such situations, every milliampere of current counts. Arduino Uno draws a minimum of 15 milliamp of current, which doesn't sound like much, but in certain situations, it quickly adds up. Arduino Uno is a development board built with several different circuits, including a USB serial converter, regulators, indicators, processor, a short circuit protection, a damage control circuit, and a lot of other circuits. It uses more power than the minimum necessary. In this course, we will look at different ways we can use to reduce the power consumption of an Arduino by changing some hardware or using some special codes. You will learn how to increase your project's efficiency by reducing the amount of power consumption through these let's say tips and tricks that we are going to provide in this course. We will look at ways to reduce power consumption within the Arduino by changing hardware or modifying code. However, there are also ways to reduce the power consumption of an Arduino by adding some simple external circuitry. In this course, we design some external circuits, some simple and intermediate and even complex circuits to control the power flow of our Arduino to help externally regulate the power flow. The circuits that we will present in this course and the tips that we will present in this course are to be used and work best when you want to multiply your battery life in any sensor-based Arduino project. I'm sure that after this course, you will know a lot about Arduino and about its internal structure and how you can reduce the power consumption. So, what you will learn in this course? First, we will talk about the low power Arduino libraries and the deep sleep mode. After that, we will explain how you can easily slow down Arduino clock speed. You will also learn how to replace or neglect power consuming components in your Arduino board and how to lower the voltage supply on your Arduino. After that, we will explain how you can easily make your Arduino board that consume a way much less power than the one that you will buy. We will also explain how to reduce Arduino power consumption using external timers, and we will show you some options to reduce power consumption and you can choose from them. In the last section of this course, we will explain how less power can be consumed with external timer circuit and how you can utilize a 555 IC, which is the timer IC, to reduce power consumption. And at the end, we will explain the solar powered battery charger circuit for your Arduino board and the sensor based external wake up circuit. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course content. It has a lot of useful information, and at the end you will gain information not only about reducing power consumption but about the Arduino board itself. Thanks for watching this introduction. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team.